Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best coolest tech gadgets of 2020. No matter who you are, from fashionista approved smartwatch devices to dad approved smart home systems, I made this list based on my personal opinion and are trying to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. 7. Echo Show. Though you can do pretty much anything with this video equipped speaker, watch TV, FaceTime friends, etc., we think it's especially handy to have in the kitchen. There, you can view step-by-step recipes, set timers, play music, and add items to your grocery list through Alexa commands, making dinner time a total breeze. 6. Fossil Women's Sport Touchscreen Smartwatch. Tech meets style in this cool smartwatch from Fossil. You can see notifications and alerts, control your music, track your fitness goals, and much more, all while accessorizing your favorite outfit. 5. WT2 Language Translator Earbuds. Yes, this is a real thing. You can now wear earbuds that simultaneously translate voices in 40 languages and 93 accents. Just pop them in, and speak with the locals, wherever you are. 4. DJI Mavic Mini Drone FlyCam Quadcopter. Take the overhead shots you've always dreamed about with the affordable Mavic Mini, which is almost as lightweight as a smartphone. If you've never tried flying drones before, this is the perfect way to test the waters. 3. First Alert Alexa-enabled smoke detector. Put safety first with this smoke and carbon monoxide detector, which doubles as a speaker and Alexa device. Download First Alert's OneLink Home app, and you can receive notifications about your home, track carbon monoxide levels, and customize a nightlight. 2. Lollipop Baby Camera with True Crying Detection. Put your new parent worries to rest with this high-tech baby monitor from Lollipop. The cute gadget pairs with an app so you can keep a close eye on your baby without hovering over a traditional monitor. It also plays lullabies or white noise, and it tracks crying data so you can notice patterns in your baby's sleep. 1. Ring Video Doorbell Elite. The Ring doorbell works with Alexa to notify you when someone's at your door, even allowing you to hear and speak to visitors without getting up. When you're on vacation, you can check on your property anytime, thanks to Live View on-demand video, and you'll get alerts when someone triggers the motion detector. It's the best of both worlds for laziness and safety.